Hello. I'm Mr. Crafty. Today, I will teach you how to make Italian dough or clay at home. What we need to make: 1 cup clay, 1 cup corn flour, ½ cup white glue, 1 tablespoon glycerin, 1 teaspoon vinegar, petroleum jelly, airtight container, frying pan, cooking stove, cooking spoon. Put these items into the pan. Put the pan on low flame. Cook for half an hour and keep stirring. This clay is ready now. Let it cool. This is very sticky. To protect from sticking, we will use petroleum jelly. Lubricate the inner layer of polythene bag with petroleum jelly. And lubricate your hands too. Collect all clay from the pan and put into the polythene bag. Keep it in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video.